morning. Hope everybody's doing well this morning. Today is April 4th in our devotional. And today it says, follow Jesus. John chapter 6, verse 45. As it is written in the scriptures, they will be taught by God. Everyone who listens to the Father and learns from him comes to me. 1 Peter chapter 2, verse 21. God called you to do good, even if it means suffering, just as Christ suffered for you. He is your example, and you must follow in his steps. Matthew chapter 5, verse 16. Let your light so shine before men, that they may see your good works and glorify your Father in heaven. Mark chapter 3, verse 34 and 35. Look, these are my mother and brothers. Anyone who does God's will is my brother and sister and mother. Matthew chapter 11, verse 29. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. John chapter 13, verse 35. Your love for one another will provide to the world that you are my disciples. Matthew 10, verse 38. Whoever does not take up their cross and follow me is not worthy of me. And at the bottom it says, discipleship requires a commitment from you that is more than just following Jesus. It requires that you be the difference that the world needs, that you will know God's heart and make some sacrifices for others. To be a disciple, ask that you be the salt of the earth and not constantly judging people by previous mistakes. Disciples are people who can't wait to spread God's good news. Are you a disciple? That's good. That's good this morning. We should follow in Jesus' footsteps. I say that a lot too. He is our guide. He is our model on how we're supposed to be, how we're supposed to act, and the things we're supposed to be doing. We should walk as Jesus walked. And so that's good this morning. We can learn from that. Jesus is the perfect example on living how we're supposed to live. And how do you learn about Jesus? You learn by having a relationship with him, and you have a relationship with him through reading his word. We learn so much about him through his word. But okay, that's all I have for you all. I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Join me on the Disciple server. Link is in the description. I know a few of y'all have joined, and I'm so happy that you're there with us. And if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.